insulin resistance actually means. You can have plenty of sugar in your bloodstream and still feel tired because the problem may not be lack of fuel. The problem may be that your cells are not using that fuel efficiently. Peace, family. Dr. Gabriel Hernandez L. here, and let me explain insulin resistance in a way that actually makes sense. When you eat, carbohydrates can be broken down into glucose. That glucose enters your bloodstream, and your pancreas releases a hormone called insulin. Insulin acts as a signal telling your cells that fuel is available. But when the cells stop responding to the signal efficiently, glucose remains elevated in the bloodstream, and the pancreas may begin producing more insulin to compensate. That is insulin resistance. It is not simply that you are or that you ate one piece of cake or had sugar that day. This can develop over time from a combination of factors, including physical inactivity, poor sleep, chronic stress, high processed foods, excess visceral fat, genetics, hormonal changes, certain medications, and other health conditions. The important thing is that insulin resistance may begin before someone receives a diagnosis of type 2 diabetes. So do not wait until the body is screaming before you begin listening. Start looking at your food quality, your movement, your sleep, your stress, and the way your energy changes after meals. And remember, this is just general education. Do not diagnose yourself or change prescribed medications based on a social media video. But if you want individualized help in understanding your situation, you can visit me either by reaching out to me in a DM, or you can find the link to my website either down below or in my bio. Or if you have general health questions, you can contact me directly through text at 404 721 3146. Again, that number is 404 721 3146. Follow me for the next video because I'm going to show you what insulin resistance looks like at the cellular level. Peace.